Frase AI tool review, usage experience. Welcome to our review of the Frase AI tool. If you're interested in streamlining your content creation and optimization process, this tool might be a game changer for you. Links to the tool and additional resources are included in the description below. Frase is an AI-powered content tool designed to help marketers, SEO professionals, and writers create high-quality, optimized content faster. It's especially useful for anyone looking to improve search engine rankings, engage readers, and save time on research and drafting. The tool offers a range of features, starting with its content briefs generator, which analyzes the top-ranking pages for your target keyword and provides a detailed outline of key topics, questions, and headers to include. This saves hours of manual research. Next is the content editor, which provides real-time feedback on your writing. It uses AI to score your content against competitors, suggest keyword usage, and guide you toward creating more SEO-friendly and comprehensive articles. For teams or solo writers juggling multiple tasks, this feature is invaluable. The tool also has a question generator that identifies common user queries related to your topic, helping you tailor content to your audience's needs. One of Frase's standout features is its AI writing assistant. Unlike basic text generators, this assistant integrates seamlessly with the content brief, creating contextually relevant and original content drafts that you can refine. This makes it an excellent choice for professionals who need both speed and accuracy. Frase is made for anyone serious about SEO-driven content, from freelancers and agencies to in-house marketing teams. While beginners can use it effectively, its advanced insights cater to seasoned pros looking for a competitive edge. In terms of pricing, Frase offers plans that scale with your needs, making it accessible for both small operations and larger organizations. Overall, it's a powerful tool that simplifies the most time-consuming parts of content creation, allowing you to focus on strategy and creativity. If you're looking for an all-in-one content optimization solution, Frase is absolutely worth considering. Check the links below to explore it further.